As of 2025, the world's most expensive fighter jets reflect cutting-edge technology, advanced capabilities, and significant investments in defense. Here's a detailed overview of the top 5. 5. Dassault Rafale. Unit cost, between $115 to $124 million. Role, multi-role fighter. Key features: versatile in air-to-air, air-to-ground, and nuclear deterrence missions. Advanced avionics and weapon systems. Operates from both land bases and aircraft carriers. For Boeing F-15EX Eagle II. Unit cost, approximately $117 million. Role, multi-role fighter. Key features: modernized avionics and weapon systems. Enhanced payload capacity. Designed to complement and eventually replace older F-15 models. 3. Eurofighter Typhoon. Unit cost, approximately $124 million. Role, multi-role fighter. Key features: high agility and maneuverability. Advanced radar and weapon systems. Operates in both air-to-air and air-to-ground roles. 2. Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. Unit cost, approximately $143 million. Role, air superiority fighter. Key features: exceptional stealth and super cruise capabilities. Advanced avionics and radar systems. Designed primarily for air dominance missions. 1. Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. Unit cost, approximately $177 million. Variants: F-35A, conventional takeoff and landing. F-35B, short takeoff and vertical landing. F-35C, carrier-based. Role, multi-role stealth fighter. Key features: advanced stealth capabilities, integrated avionics and sensor fusion, versatility across air, ground, and naval operations. These aircraft represent the pinnacle of modern military aviation, each with unique strengths tailored to their respective roles and operational requirements. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Correct Data to watch more such interesting information videos. If you like the video, like and share it, and be sure to express your valuable opinion in the comments. If you also have any interesting information, share it with us, and we will make a video on it too.